You can start early, you can start small, it's possible. At the end of the day, it will all matter dun sa kung ano yung kakayanin ng budget mo or kayang i-stretch natin sa budget mo, 'di ba? If you are kung ang mindset mo agad is ito gusto ko, ito ano ko, but of course, we have to balance. We have to i-weigh natin yung ano mo. Ang importante lang talaga, you have that mindset na I can do it, I can start small, and this is all gonna be worth it.
So ang pag-invest po, you should start on your mindset. Step by step po. Let's start small. Paano ba? Paano ba tayo mag-start small, partner JC?
Well, hanapin nyo yung, alamin nyo yung terms. Kasi for most developers naman, flexible naman yung mga terms nyo. Especially real estate is really booming in the Philippines now.
Right.
Competitive ang industry. Talagang, in general to, mga developer kanya-kanyang flexible terms yan. So, it's not that, it doesn't follow na gusto mo mag-invest, kailangan mo talaga maglabas. Kasi yung iba, ganun ang mindset eh. Kailangan maglabas sila ng malaki. Of course, pwede naman. Pero kung talagang ang gusto mo for the sake na you can start early, you can start small, it's possible.